Sorry, I should have checked my online. I really apologize because I have started nearly 23 minutes and I did not see that I'm audible. That's the shame. I do apologize for that. So I have to start again. Anyway, I do apologize for that. Um, it's really, really bad. You see the technology. I just have a new sound card, and that sound card is automatically. I don't have any microphone on that, so it's automatically captured my live, and here we go. That's the thing. So thank you for Junaid for your message that I'm not audible. I'm just getting my live for last half an hour, and you could not see anything. That's very bad. So start it again. Today, as I discussed earlier, sorry, you are watching this live on LinkedIn, and sorry for the sound mismatch. I do apologize for that. I will have many other sessions in the future, and I will make sure that I don't have these technical problems. So you're watching today, and we will talk about 360-degree marketing. And I have spoken 360-degree marketing previously on my other events. And today, I also wanted to share 360-degree marketing. What is 360-degree marketing? So when you talk about 360-degree marketing, sometimes it's a buzzword like, okay, 360 degree. What do you mean 360 degree? Um, um, 360 degree is that thing that you see everywhere. So if you go right, left, top and bottom. Thank you, Junaid. Thank you very much for your message. I really appreciate it, and I'm very sorry that the sound wasn't clear, and I did forget about to add my other monitor to the live. So that was the mismatch, and it can happen. It's Ramadan. I'm fasting. It's just end of Ramadan, and at that time, sometimes you just feel a little bit different. But anyway, here we go. I have 360 marketing other webinars, so you can go over there and you can also check what is 360 marketing. So when you talk about 360 degree marketing, is about people like you, consumer, you customer. They will see you 360 degrees. So if they see right, left, top, down, everywhere, they will see you. So you have to create a projections based on that. So that's why we named it 360-degree marketing, and we have a methodology that tailor this 360-degree marketing for you, and I will share those with you. So I'm going to go again to my web page. As I described earlier, I'm going to recap them at least another half an hour. I can talk about this. So when you talk about 360-degree marketing, the first thing of the pillar is to get right technology for your business. You need to know what technology you want and how you want. So as we said, we are software developers. I showed my my page, website, web app, whatever you say. So it's an e-commerce a website, and we develop everything from scratch, from hand coded. We don't use presets like WordPress, Wix, and a lot of other presets. We don't do that because we create tangible value through our work. And we know that as a software developers and a business growth partner, that when you have a tangible value assets, that is real in money. So we also have launched one of our funnel. So this is one of the funnel, and this funnel is part of this page. So I was talking about funnel and page. So I'm going to be describing that a little bit later. So when you think about 360 marketing, you need to think about a methodology. That methodology will tailor your thinking to the next levels. So we have developed Sales Funnel Accelerator, our 7-step growth methodology. On that 7-step methodology, you will have understand, know your business and develop a strategy, and then sales funnel and social selling. You will have lead magnets, book and workshop developments. You will have AI and technology integration, and SEO content marketing integration, qualifying, closing sales, and after sales. So these are the 7-step process. So if you go through with this site, Sales Funnel Accelerator process, you will know a lot of information. We also have embedded a AI knowledge buddy. So with this, our AI knowledge agent, you will know if you ask any, and you can ask anything to our knowledge customer service agent. So she will let you know about the product and services that we offer and anything that you wanted to know. So first of all, the first pillar we talk about is your projection, your shop front. So if I go to the Online Screenwriting Academy, so Online Screenwriting Academy is one of my clients, and he is Karl Schoenfeld. He was my teacher, and trust me, 20 years back, he was my teacher. I learned a lot of things from him, and I implement that. So my first degree was in television productions, marketing, film. So Carl was one of my teacher. Now he teaches at the Oxford University, and he also has this Online Screenwriting Academy. So he teaches peoples around the globe for writing screenplay, script writing. So few months back, I was doing an event, and I invited him to join my lives. So he joined my lives, and on the next, after I finished my live, he said, "Shah, I need your support." And we had a meeting arranged, and from then we tailored our methodology for Carl to come to these projections. So you have to have your projections ready before you attract anyone. So what we did, we understood Carl's business, and based on that, we went through last 2 months every individual detail. So this web app we have developed from scratch. So all the graphic design and everything that you see is customized and customizable. So we can change every individual bricks of anything that we built. And we have gone through specifically with fast design. So we designed the web page, and we have gone through with the branding as well, logo. So we have created the logo for the Online Screen Academy. And believe me, it took a while to come to the final outputs, that what we wanted to do, how we wanted to attract people, what is our value, and how we wanted to address this with our values, with our client values, and all those things, and technology wise, what would be the right thing to do. So we have come up and finalized the branding, logo making, and as well as what we wanted to input here, the first slides, what you want, the second slides, what you want, what the picture would be, the background picture, and the projections, how we wanted to do. So everything was tailored to a methodology to project unique things and for the next breakthrough. We have designed about us, and you can see Carl. You can see his message here as well. You will not hear the message because It's not audible because I shared just a window. And you can see the projections, what we want to do, message them, because we are in Britain, so BAFTA is one of our thing, and he's all BAFTA anyway. So we want to project something that people will come to this site and they will attract what we do, and then they will they will not think twice to leave the site not reading some of the information here. So that's the first attraction that we do. So the first thing on 360 remarketing is to attract people. So with our projection, we attracted people. So they are on our site. What do we need to do next? So we need to have the landing page. As I said, there are a few things: landing page, sales funnel. They are the same thing. I will go into details later. So we have projected the homepage in a way that people can see what is his offer. So you can see all the offers he is offering to his co-workers, I would say, or students, whatever, and as well as success stories. Because people, when they wanted to see what you have done so far, they want some compliments from people. So you can see the compliments here. And Carl has worked with many people around the globe. His students, like me, I'm one of his students. He has students on Amazon, BBC, Walt Disney, Hollywood, and everywhere, Bollywood, everywhere. So we need to think, when we're creating these projections for him, that what would be the mood of his target audience, what they would like, and how they wanted to see the information. So very much thinking involved when we project this. So if you think a person, they're working in cinematography and screenwriting, their thinking going to be different. Their understanding going to be different. So we need to work with that right projection for right audience. Okay, and then creating the projection for targeting audience. And you can see all the companies he has worked for: BFI, BAFTA, BBC, and all other companies, Channel 4. So people will have a trust. And then blog section, like what he's talking about and how he's talking about, all those things. Anonymized, we have also added a section of anonymized feedback, because we cannot include person names here, but it was collected from the University of Oxford, as he teaches over there. And a knowledgeable section, resources. So any web app we would do, we will definitely have a section named resources, because nowadays our clients, our customer, they are very knowledgeable, and we also need, for SEO purposes, to add as many information as we could on the websites. And then FAQs and contact us and the footer. We're going to be working more, because this is our first task. So we will add an interactive agent here that I showed you on the site, AI agent. So that is our next task that we would do to talk to the clients. We are also developing an avatar-based agent. So a person, avatar of Carl or avatar of me, on the website will answer your questions. So it's on the development phase now, very soon. So when your projection is done, then you are ready for 360 remarketing. First of all, you need to think about value proposition. Why you need to think about value proposition? So any work that you do, you need a value proposition. So without value proposition, you cannot get your service out there. You cannot serve people. And return on investment, ROI. You need to think about how you're going to return the money of the people. Online, on LinkedIn and on other social media, you will find that people, they talk about they will return you 6-figure, 7-figure, 10-figure, all those numbers. But my question to you, do you have that capacity? So whenever I work with people, I ask them, what is your capacity? Because if you wanted to earn 10-figure, you need to invest at least 10% of that money, of that thing. Okay. Big corporations, they spend 1 to 2% to 5%, or sometimes 10%, because they have huge budgets to create things. But a smaller company, they use 5 to 10% expenditure for sales and marketing and all other work they would do, like the things I described. So if you're targeting that you want to earn 10-figure, then 10% of that you need to invest. And do you have that capacity? That is my question. You might not. So if you don't have that capacity, then earning a 10-figure would be a daydream, because the amount of work you need to do to earn that money, that's huge. So before you jump into a conclusion that someone will get you 10-figure, think about your capacity first. And this is an honest opinion, honest tips from me to you. If you wanted to work with me, then I would ask you, okay, what is being done? So I don't work with everyone, because you have to have future thinking. You need to know that you create tangible value, because I only do bespoke developments, and anything that I do, it's different. So you need to like my way of working. I also need to know that, okay, you will invest your time with me to grow your business. Some people, they will say, okay, I don't want to invest time, and they will come to us and we don't work with them. Why? Because we cannot create tangible value. You cannot create next breakthrough without working with us together. And that's a true fact. So with 360 marketing, the first pillar, as I described, is your projection. I'm going to share you some of the information here. Now, as I said, web page. So this is your web page. So if you go to Nightbridge Harrods, you will see on Harrods, they have different type of windows. So, and this is the different type of windows we have on the shop. And each window, if we click there, is a landing page. So this is a landing page. So if we go on the landing page, decide, okay, we're going to buy it, not going to buy it. So this is a funnel. So why we have built this funnel? We built this funnel to attract people through a specific offer we are offering now. So we are giving away 300 bespoke web applications for free. And you can select specifically because we're giving the application free, but to host the application, you need to spend some money, because hosting is chargeable. So, and there is an FAQ, and we have also shown you when we develop an application over the time, how it's gained your value. So if you're spending £3,000 to start with for an application, this is just for a purpose, and this £3,000 will turn over the time. Just give me a second. Over the time, this £3,000 will turn £25,000. So I just had a mistake on my package. I just need to edit that, because it, instead of 29.99, is extra 2 is there. So I just wanted to delete it and share that with you. So when you have a, I just need to do a refresh as well. So when you are thinking to build your application, you need to think, okay, why you need original bespoke application? Because it's open source, it's secure, you can control every individual sections, and this hosted, it will be hosted somewhere else, but the application will be owned by you. So in relation with data, in relation with all other things, you can go to the next levels. So we're just charging $29.99 for a basic hosting and updates only package, and we will give you the application free. And we have other packages like growth and accelerate, is with SEO. Why SEO is important? There's another pillar I want to talk about. So we have this projection. How you attract people? Do you want to reach them, and how you reach them? That's another thing of 360 remarketing. So we reach them through social media, we reach them through SEO, email marketing, cold calling. So 360-degree together. Okay. And this 360-degree will tailor our methodology to attract the next clients. And we don't bother we don't irritate our clients. We just make friends, and based on that, we sell our product and services. So we're going to asking them for support, we're going to asking them if they need help, if we can solve any of their problems, and all other all other ways to connect with someone, and then sell our product and services. So if I give an example, what we're going to do with the online screenwriting academy. So we have fixed our website. We just now doing the SEO. So we will embed SEO service. So boost online visibility with expert optimization strategies that will drive organic growth. So how we would drive organic growth? So when you search online on Google or any other search engine, what we do, you just write something to look for it. So those businesses, they are optimizing their web page with SEO. People, when they are looking for it, they will find you very easily. But if you do not optimize your web page, no one can find you. No one. It's not possible for people to find you, because there are going to be other people, they are doing the same thing, and you're going to be millions miles away. So search engine optimization is another thing for you to consider. Other things in 360 marketing, you need to consider social media. So if you have a LinkedIn account, so if I go to my LinkedIn account, I'm just going to share my LinkedIn account here. And just give me 1 second. I share my screen again. You might have social media accounts. And are those accounts, are those optimized? Are you doing anything with those accounts? There's another question. Because having a social media account is not 360 marketing. You need to know what you are doing, methodology, how you are doing. So if I share my screen, you can see my profile. You can see Green Threads because I joined Green Threads as a COO, um, and I'm supporting them with my methodology to create tangible value. And if you go to Green Threads website, um, you will see, um, if you go to Green Threads website, you will see the things that we have done and supported. So I just refreshed my page. So I'm very lazy to write greenthreads.com. You can see, as I'm dyslexic, I will definitely do some mistakes there. So what I will do, I will just copy this and then show you the sites. I think I can click OK. It's there already. So um, I was just over it for nothing. So you can see Green Threads, dpp.com. I'm supporting. I'm one of the director there, and we also develop these applications, supporting them with technology and all other things. So uh, if you go to my profile, you can see it's clearly mentioned that I support Green Threads. Sorry, I don't know what is coming on here. I support Green Threads, and my background is on Green Threads. So what I am doing now, I have stopped uh, projections of my marketing company, software development company. Uh, but you will see some of the keywords here. I still post for different domains that I'm working with, but the main projection is Green Threads. So all the works that I'm doing now is related to Green Threads. LinkedIn, we're going to be converting social media, Facebook, and other social media, YouTube. So 360 marketing is adding persona to social media with SEO. So whenever someone is looking for you, they can find you from Google. And another thing, we do backlink for social media for SEO, and we also do local SEO, global SEO, technical SEO, all other things. So what it does, it creates the possibility for drive-away organic traffic. So people looking for same story in same areas or same geographical location or different geographical location, you can specifically tailor your methodology to drag customer to your sites, and those customer, they will come, they will attract, and then they will buy from you. That's another thing that we do is to specifically send message. That's another part of 360 marketing. So we send message from LinkedIn, we send message from WhatsApp, we also email them. So if we are attracting someone, we will send them an email to ask them or to let them know our offers, what we are offering to them. That's another thing. So if I wanted to recap my entire my last conversation, so 360 marketing, first you need to know about your technology projections, like you have the right technology, you have an attractive web page or website or web app for your client to come and see what you do. Then you need to embed SEO, and it's not mandatory, but if you do SEO, you're going to be the front runner. because there are lots of things you need to do on SEO. And then you need to do social media. So social media, do one by one. So if you are on LinkedIn, do your social media on LinkedIn, and then see where you target ideal customer. You can go to Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, X. So you can go Threads, all those social media, depends where your customer is hanging around. And please be aware, when you specifically target a single social media, it's a huge type of work. And you have YouTube, so you need to produce content another way. When you go to social media, I'm producing content every week. My YouTube channel is growing. I have 4 YouTube channels. So I have enough media now. Now I'm growing my YouTube channels, because you also need to do YouTube SEO for YouTube channels. It's not like that you will have a video and people will come and see your video. It doesn't work like that way. You need to do YouTube SEO for YouTube right way. Then it reaches the right audience that you are targeting. So it's all about reaching your target audience to increase your sales. So 360 marketing is the key for your next breakthrough. If you haven't thinking about this, you have to think about it now. Okay? Why? Because without thinking about 360 marketing, you cannot excel to the next levels. The technology has changed, the media has changed, social media captured most of the things nowadays. Uh, so there are lots of things to take on, but among them, the best thing is you don't need to waste your time thinking, okay, how can I do it? I don't have that manpower, I don't have that bandwidth, I don't have that specifically um, financial strength to do this. We have a solution for you. So I just wanted to share some key information about building custom websites. So if you go to our funnel, sales funnel, it's ByteStore.xyz application funnel. You can DM me. I can share that code with you. So with this funnel, we will build your application free. So one thing, we will build your application free. Okay. Next thing, with SEO and all other things, we have an offer here. But if you wanted to more dedicated offers, we have a bunch of offers here, specific with basic plans, advanced plans, and premium plan. So we are offering 360-degree marketing from top rank SEO experts. This is another wing that we are working and support businesses for specifically targeted SEO. So if you go to toprank.seoexperts.com, you will find what we do and what pricing package we have. So with Top Rank SEO Experts, we offer 360 marketing packages. So if you are thinking, okay, I do not have enough strength, you can hire us. So what we do end-to-end process for you. What that process involves, we will do social media, we would do SEO, we would do all other things that you need to do, outreach, social media management, social media outreach, and all those things. And we have a proven methodology. So if you thinking about ROI, working with us, you will get 30 to 40% tariff growth in the first 2 months when we start working with you and we have laid out the projection or application. If you have an application already, we're not going to touch that. We're going to start the next levels. You will rank on keywords on Google by 6 months, and we can secure you top 10 Google rankings and 15 high intent keywords, ensuring a competitive edge in the industry. We would do lead generation, so high quality leads or any other leads that we're looking for, and conversion rates we would do 40 to 45%. The email we send to email marketing, we have like 80 to 90% seen rates that people read, and then we send the second message, offers and all other, and it is cost effective. It is very much cost effective. So if you're thinking to embed 360 marketing with us, it's a great options. You can share or you can DM me if you wanted to, or you can go to toprankedseoexperts.com, and you can also go to Byte Store sales funnel. So I will ask one of my teammates to share the link on the section. So you just click and you can go to the link. Specifically, I will also share Byte Store link on the messaging section, so you will not miss it, and as well as 360-degree marketing for Sales Funnel Accelerator. Sales Funnel Accelerator is bit extended one, so you will get an in-depth knowledge. But if you're a starter, if you're SMEs, I wouldn't bother you to start my 7-step methodology with you. We can go with a light version, from Top Rank SEO Experts or Byte Store. We would do similar work mostly, but you will understand the development and growth. So thank you everyone for joining today's live webinar. And I do apologize for the sound mismatch. It happened another time last year or before last year when I was doing live. My audio wasn't enabled. And I do apologize for that, but we have half an hour with you. And you will find me on LinkedIn and all other social media, YouTube. So if you wanted to talk to me and if you wanted to talk to any of my team, feel free to contact me. So I'm going to be welcoming you on Friday that I'm doing another sales webinar with one of my guests, Christian Viona. And I'll meet you there. Until then, stay tuned and